Hello students, let us try to understand the isomerism and concept of isomerism. So what is the isomerism if you talk about a student? So isomerism means that is the same molecular formula, but there is the different in the structures. Okay. So alkenes show both structural isomerism as well as geometrical isomerism, right student? So structural isomerism means there is the different in the structures. So as in alkanes, ethene C2H4 and propene C3H6 can have only one structural structure, but alkenes higher than the propene have different structures. Alkenes possessing C4H8 as the molecular formula can be written in the following ways. So that is first one is that is but1ene, second one is but2ene. So here is double position of double bond. You can see that is in the first case, that is first position is there, and in the second case the second position is there. Okay, and in the third possible structure is 2-methyl propanine, 2-methyl propanine. So that is the third case. So dear student, if you're talking about this one, so structures 1 and 3rd and second and third are the example of chain isomerism, whereas structure first and second are the position isomerism. Okay, that you try to understand. They are saying that is structure first and third. If you talk about the first structure, so in the first structure, this is the, if you see the first structure is like that, CH3, this is CH, okay, and here is double bond is there, that is CH2, double bond CH, CH2 and CH3. So this is the but1ene. So if you talk about but1ene and this one third one, first and third and second and third, first and third and second and third. If you talk about the, this is the first and third, and if you write the second one, CH3, CH double bond CH and CH3, so this is the third one, right? So if you saw first, second and second, third are the example of chain isomerism. Okay, whereas first and second are the position isomerism, because here the position of double bond is first and position of double bond is second. So that is what the position isomerism. Now let us have the one question over it, that is write the structures of an IUPAC name of the different structural isomers of alkene having the formula C5H10. So C5H10, if you talk about student, that is on the first position ene is there, so pent1ene. On the second position is possible pent2ene. And if you are doing the branching, so if you are doing the branching, so that is 2-methyl but2ene is there, and third one is that is 3-methyl but1ene. And if you talk about fifth one, so it will get coming 2-methyl but1ene. So total 5 structures isomers are possible. Now the second isomerism is the geometrical isomerism. So whenever you are talking about the geometrical isomerism, so doubly bonded carbon atom have to satisfy the remaining two valency by joining with the two atoms or the group. If the two atoms or group attached to each carbon atoms are different, they can be represented by YXC and CXY, YXC and CXY, like structures. YXC equal to CXY can be represented in space in the following two ways. So a number is there, so it is the XX is there in same direction, YY is same direction, so this is cis, and XY is there different direction, XY is different, that is the trans. So a number is cis symmetrical and B number is trans. So if you see in A, two identical atoms, that is both the X and both the Y lie on the same side of the double bond, lie on the same side of the double bond, but in B the two X and two Y lie across the double bond on the opposite side of the double bond. This results in different geometry A and B, that is disposition of the atoms or group in space in the two arrangement is different. Therefore they are the stereoisomer, therefore they are the stereoisomers. Now because there is the different atoms are there in the space, now what they are saying, another point, they would have the same geometry if atoms or the group of atoms CC double bond can be rotate, but rotation around CC double bond is not free, it is restricted because of the double bond. For understanding this concept, take two pieces of the strong carbon cardboards and join them with the help of the two nails. Hold one cardboard in your one hand and try to rotate the other. Can can you really rotate the other cardboard? The answer is no. The rotation is restricted. This illustrates that the restricted rotation of atoms or groups around the doubly bonded carbon atoms gives rise to different geometries of a such compound. The stereoisomers of this type are called the geometrical isomers. Stereoisomers of these compounds are known as geometrical isomers. The isomers of the type A, in which two identical atoms or group lie on the same side of the double bond, is called the cis isomers, and the other isomer of the type B, in which the identical atoms or group lie on the opposite side of the double bond, is called the trans isomers. Thus, cis and trans isomers have the same structures but have the different configuration arrangement of atoms or groups in space. Due to different arrangement of atoms or group in space, these isomers differ in their properties like melting point, boiling point, dipole moment, solubility, etc. So geometrical or the cis trans isomers of butene are represented below. Let us see. So here is the both group are the downside same side and methyl group are same side. So this is the cis butene, boiling point 277 Kelvin, and here is the different groups are there, means same group are the across opposite side, so that is trans butene, and boiling point is 274. So cis form of alkene is found to be more polar, okay, than the trans form. For example, dipole moment of the cis butene is 0.33 dBi, whereas the dipole moment of the trans form is almost 0. Or it can be said that trans butene is non-polar. Okay, this can be understood by drawing geometries of the two form as given below, from which it is clear that in the trans butene the two methyl group are the opposite direction. Therefore, dipole moment of CCH3 bond are cancelled, thus making the trans form non-polar. Okay, so here is the cis butene. So mu is equal to 0.33 and trans butene mu is equal to 0. So here is the hydrogen is the same side, so that is dipole moment is 0.33, and here is opposite direction, they are cancelling out, so that is dipole moment is 0. So in this case solid in case of solid, it is observed that the trans isomers have higher melting point, okay, than the cis form. In this case, the solid, it is observed that the trans isomers has high melting point than the cis form. Geometrical or the cis trans isomerism is also shown by the alkenes of the two type XYC equal to CXZ and XYC is equal to CZW. So this is all about the geometrical isomerism in the alkene. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.